The other day I was reading about this Japanese idea called wabi sabi. At first, I thought it was just about design or maybe art. But as I kept reading, I realized it's actually a way of looking at life. It's about accepting that things don't have to be perfect to be beautiful. And that thought hit home. Because let's be honest, we all feel this pressure, right? To keep fixing things, to look polished, to have everything under control. But when I really think about it, most of what has stayed with me in life has not been perfect at all. It's been the in between moments, the routine, the things that are always there but often go unnoticed. The way we go about our day, the way we keep returning to the same spaces, the way our life quietly holds its own rhythm without needing a spotlight. There's something very calming about that. We are told to keep upgrading everything, right? Our careers, our homes, our personalities. But no one tells us how valuable it is to just sit with what is as it is. Not everything has to be new or exciting to matter. Some things are meaningful simply because they are consistent. You may not remember every big achievement, but you will surely remember how it felt to sit with your people in silence. Or maybe the small things like how familiar your room feels at the end of a long day. We don't give enough credit to the everyday, to the ordinary. But the truth is, it's these little repeated moments that give our life shape. I'm not saying don't dream big or grow. Of course, we should. But while we are doing all that, we don't need to reject what's simple, what's ordinary. Because ordinary is not empty, it's just quiet. And sometimes that's exactly what we need. Not every day is going to be a big day, and that's okay. The comfort of knowing how your day starts, where you put your keys, what time the light hits your room, it all creates a sense of belonging. It tells your body and your mind that you're safe here. And that's what Wabi Sabi is at its core. Not chasing perfection, but just being present. Being okay with things changing, with things aging, with things not matching or aligning perfectly. Because when you zoom out, none of that really matters. What matters is how you feel. And most of the time, peace does not come from things being perfect, it comes from them being familiar. So, this is just your reminder. You don't have to keep fixing every corner of your life. You can live in it as it is and still be doing just fine. Let the mess be there, let the routine be simple, let the beauty show up in the quiet and normal ways. Because maybe, just maybe, right here, right now is enough. Because maybe ordinary is enough.